In this guide, we are going over the best beginner tips and strategies for Roblox idle defense so that you can push waves and farm rewards even while AFK. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is launch the game and then go ahead and look down in the bottom left corner and find this little codes option. Go ahead and select this and go ahead and search for a codes video and redeem whatever latest codes there might be to get some free rewards and boosts. You could use codes like presents 50 and thanks for the support 150 right here. Hit confirm. And if they're working, that'll get you some easy rewards right off the bat. I'll try and link some more codes down in the comments as well. But from here, you need to focus on farming waves consistently. Just place your DPS towers near the front of the path so they start attacking enemies as early as possible. Towers like Signal and Skylighter are usually great early options for dealing solid damage. And as you progress, just make sure that you evolve, Station. Evolving your towers can give, a huge damage boost, which does make it a lot easier to push through tougher waves. Another useful mechanic is boss lures, and these will allow you to summon stronger enemies that drop better rewards, helping you progress even faster. If you do want to speed things up though, you can also visit the shop and buy advanced presents as well. Some of these you may have to go ahead and get some currency for first, but then from here head over to the advanced shop and get some better currencies. But also make sure that you join the game's Roblox group, since it often does give you extra multipliers and bonuses while playing. Now, idle defense is obviously perfect for AFK farming, so a good strategy is just to leave the game running overnight, build up waves and waves of rewards. But you could also server hop between runs to find fresh lobbies and restart faster. As you do progress further, start using your rebirth strategically, because rebirthing will also give you permanent upgrades, so that you could focus on upgrades like attack speed and range to push even higher waves. But that is it. That is the best tips for progressing here in Roblox idle defense. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.